Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at tyre dressing applicators and why I think a paint pad is the best way to go. I'm going to compare a paintbrush, a sponge, MEGUIAR'S tyre dressing applicator and my favourite, a paint pad. I'm going to use two Autoglym tyre dressing, the tyre dressing and the tyre dressing performance gel, each with each applicator. You could just spray the tyre dressing onto the tyre directly, but you get loads of overspray on your paintwork. I'm going to start with the brush and see how it applies onto the tyre. Using the brush, it's going to take a long time and it's very streaky and not very successful. So I decided to try using the tyre gel with the brush to see how that fared. It came out streaky and it still took a long time to apply it to the whole tyre. So I cleaned the tyre before I started with the sponge with the tyre spray. It was better than the brush. It still wasn't great and it was hard to get the dressing actually into the tyre. Now I'm using the tyre gel to see if that's any better with the sponge. It wasn't much of an improvement. The only thing I can say is the dressing didn't soak into the sponge, allowing me to apply more to the tyre. Now I'm going to use the MEGUIAR'S tyre applicator. I applied tyre gel to the MEGUIAR'S tyre applicator in the same way as before. It wasn't much better than the sponge. It was easy to hold because of the plastic grip. I'm going to use my preferred method, which is a Ronseal paint pad. It's got densely packed bristles which will get into all the tread and detail of the sidewall of the tyre. You can only get the Ronseal paint pad in the UK, but I've had a look and in the US at Home Depot you can get a similar paint pad. I'm now going to start with using the spray dressing. It's good because you've got a big area to spray the dressing into. Because it's larger, you can get round the tyre quick and you can get tight to the alloy wheel with the tyre bead. Finally, I'm going to use the tyre gel with the paint pad. The paint pad lasts for a long while, unlike the MEGUIAR'S one. After a while, the sponge crumbles and you have to keep replacing it. I'm using Autoglym tyre dressings, but you can use whatever you like. Still work just as well. My final thoughts is, it works better, it lasts longer, it's quite cheap, and I recommend you pick one up for yourself. That's it for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified of future uploads. Comment down below for ideas, thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.